Hello everybody, welcome to Snap Vegan, where eating on the cheap doesn't have to kill you. I went to a farm truck today, and come on back and I'll show you why I was available. Alrighty then, well, it was a 38-degree windy day at the farm truck. I figured out I don't have the kitchen light on. I'm just doing daylight through the window. How's that? So today, pretty slim pickings actually, but grateful nonetheless. 2 packs of Indiana sweet corn, yeah, baby, yeah. And then 3 packs of blueberries and 2 packs, thumbnail, of strawberries. That's it. So, excuse me, next Tuesday, I'm considering going tomorrow. I mean, early, in very super duper cold conditions. I'm thinking of going tomorrow, because that's where most of the variety of offerings are, especially produce. So, hoping. I gotta do. I mean, I gotta do what I gotta do. It's gonna be really hard standing out in that cold, but I gotta have some lettuce, y'all, and collards, and I gotta have greens. I gotta have fruit. I got my fruit here. Speaking of which, I really want some oranges bad. They're so expensive now. Woo. You know how your salivary glands just explode when something comes good into it. This is it. Woo. Okay. So, thinking of doing that. Next week is full of x-rays and MRIs, and then the next week is neck doctor for this nerve thing. So, I took my suitcase today so I could roll it instead of carry it, which works out a whole lot better. I still have to lift it into the car, but I can slide it on my back seat so I don't have to lift it like up into the trunk. I can just turn the suitcase on the side and kind of pick it up and slide it into the back seat. That's very helpful, because I have to now, I can't even like go to the grocery store because I can't carry the bags. So anyway, and it costs money. Let's see, with Walmart you have to have a minimum order of $30 or $35, and then it costs like $7 something to deliver. I don't have any of that yet. That's gonna all have to wait till the 3rd. But anyway, I am blessed and grateful. Heavenly Father, I want to thank you for the food that was gifted to us today. May you bless the hands that touched it, from the farm to the table. Amen. Thank you. Blessed and grateful. This is going to be real good. I have a ton of frozen blueberries already in my freezer. But I'm going to go through these 3 packs in 3 days, because I'm going to have an oatmeal marathon. Because it's that good. Alright. That's it. Tuesday's another farm truck. I will be there, I hope. So, back at you then. Love you. Be good to each other. Bye.